Never let the things you want make you forget the things that you have. Many times in life we believe in struggling and pursuing for what we really want in life. And sometimes people tend to forget what they already have. For example, people tend to struggle for new dresses, new cars, and the rest, forgetting what they already have. Some stupid people also, they struggle to look for different partners. After watching Nigerian movie, after watching another movie, they start comparing their partner to those people in the movies. In the end, they take that misleading action to be their role model. At the end of it all, they lose because they focus on what they will never get. They ending up losing the wife, losing the husband, losing the boyfriend, or losing the girlfriend. There are a lot of circumstances, like those who go for better. Then they put their entire money that they are left with in better. While they're dreaming for the bigger money, bigger than the one they already have. But in the end, when they lose it all. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Bakiga. It is the hard way on your photo. Channel, follow on Pinterest and Facebook. Like, comment, and share this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Hi folks, on my right hand side is a subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe. Then on the left hand side down is the latest videos, and then up is a video recommended for you. Please thank you for watching this channel. Down on the link there is the website www.lohfoco.site.